THUNDERROARUS Spin Master Monster Jam Series 35. Here is the back of the card with THUNDERROARUS being in Crazy Creatures. Then we got Bakugan Dragonoid, Gravedigger, which is the chase piece in the Ghost Crew, Gravedigger, Avenger, October, I pronounced that miscorrectly. And let's go on to Son of a Digger, Soldier of Fortune, Monster Mutt, Dalmatian. Here is THUNDERROARUS out of the package. We get the BKT lettering on the tires, and then the die-cast body itself. It is looking good, and on the side we get his arms that are rubber, and that's pretty cool that they go up and down. The mouth does not open and close. It is just shut, but still a lot of detail going on all around the truck. Here is the back of the truck and the top. So it looks very cool. Based out of 5 stars, I would put this truck at 4.5. The other half would be if it did have the name of the truck somehow on the side, how it's supposed to be. So maybe they'll clear that up for next year, of having the name of the truck on the side of the truck somehow. But other than that, a nice looking diecast for THUNDERROARUS. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you'll find this in the stores.